Hi there, I'm Josh.
And I'm Alice. We're here from Finding Country, and this is Moorhead Country Holidays.
Here on site is also 18 self-contained apartments with a variety of leisure facilities throughout the site.
Come with us to take a look at what's available. Additionally, inside there is an on-site bar as well as restaurant facilities for guests, which the vendors also use as a local takeaway. There is also a games room as well.
Just when you think you've seen it all here over at Moorhead Country Holidays, behind me is the vendor's on-site accommodation as well. So the property itself is a large 4-bedroom property. However, it is currently set out as two 2-bedroom semi-detached homes. So down here at the north segment of the property complex is this beautiful lake that is fully stocked with multiple spots for people to come here and enjoy a variety of fishing, either weekends away or whilst here staying on site.
Continuing outside, Moorhead sits on roughly 12 acres of land that offers a number of facilities, including pitch and putt, and a play area for children, as well as camping facilities too. As well as the outside offering lots of facilities, the inside also offers lots for when the weather's not so nice, including this swimming pool with a hot tub.
So thank you for coming around Moorhead Country Holidays here with myself and Alice. And if you would like to see more of this property, then contact our team today on 01237 426 018.